Hello everybody and welcome to this new video on Inkscape, and in this video we are going to see how to work with groups. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course Inkscape is available if you want to learn Inkscape starting from scratch with a course structure. It will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models session of the course, what you will be able to learn. A complete course to perfectly master Inkscape step by step. Second link on the description, this is a website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software, have basics of this software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is like online school, so it means you can pick a course and you can learn any graphic software. So let's start with groups. The first thing that I'm going to do it is to create rectangles. And I will create a rectangle around here. This rectangle, I will go in the fill and stroke panels. Fill, I will define some colors. And stroke, I will remove the stroke. Then I will create another one with another color, another one with another colors, and another one with another color. So let's see the basic of the group. To create a group, you select all the layers that you need. Here, for example, I can create a frame of selections. And after to do this type of work, you can do Ctrl G, or you can go right click and you can find groups, or you can go on this area and you can go on object and you can create group also. After to create a group, you will have a new folder here and you have your different elements inside just like this. To select a group, you click here, left click, and you can select all the groups just like this. Exactly like only one object, you can scale the group, you can move the group, another left click. You can also create some rotation you can do. Exactly the same thing that you want with only one object. You can edit a group inside. For this, you can go double click and you can enter inside the group. And for example, you can adjust the color of element, or you can also scale an element inside the group. You have also the possibility to go right click. You can exit the group, and in this case, I come back with all my group, or I can go right click and I can go inside the group with enter group. And after to enter the group, you can select one of the elements inside, change the position just like this. To ungroup, you can click on the group. So for example, I can go right click, exit the group, and you can go right click and select ungroup, and I can just ungroup like this. So this is the first basics of the group. Now let's create another example. I will create a small rectangles here. And these small rectangles, I will define fill and stroke, and I will just activate a stroke paint. And in the stroke tile, I will put yes to. And on the fill options, I will deactivate the color. So I have this rectangle, and what I will do, I will duplicate with Ctrl D. So Ctrl D, I will duplicate. Ctrl D, I will duplicate. And Ctrl D, I have duplicate. So I show you that the group is interesting when, for example, you want to classify in the layer and object panels, and you want to apply transformation on multiple elements at the same time. Now it can be interesting for the alignment distribution panel as well. You can go in the object options, align and distribute. You can open these panels, and I will deactivate the snapping option. Now I will put relative to something, so I will select all this rectangle relative to the first selected, and I will go on the top, align top edges, and I will activate this distribution, distribute horizontally. And now to center my element, I cannot click here on center. All the rectangle will arrive in the middle, so I need to group first. So I will go right click, I will create a group, and now because I have a group, as you can see, this group, I can center on my page. And now I will press Ctrl D and I will duplicate my group. Ctrl D again, I can duplicate my group again. Ctrl D and I will duplicate. Ctrl D and I will duplicate. and Control D, and I will duplicate again. And after to do this type of work, I will select all the elements here, and relative to what can be the first selected, I will be able to align in the middles, and for example to use the distribution here, distribute vertically with even gaps, just like that. So now we have multiple groups, as you can see. If I want to create a complete group with all of this, I can select all my groups here. And after to select all the groups, I will press Ctrl G, or I will go in Object, Group, and we can create a complete groups. And as you can see, I have a complete groups. And now I can use Align and Distribute to the page, center, and center also. As you can see, it's important. In this case, I'm going to remove this panel. In this case, it's important because if you want to have the right alignment and the right distribution, you need to focus on different groups. First, my different groups with 4 rectangles each time. And after that, create another complete groups to be able to center the groups. If I want to ungroup, I can click here. I can go right click, ungroup, just like this. And now I have all these different groups. But I can also select all these groups and now right click, and we can ungroups all. And now I can find only all the rectangle just like this, for example. As you can see, the groups you have multiple interests. It can be to transform multiple elements at the same time. It can be to focus on something interesting on your layer panels. And it can be also to be able to work with right alignment and the right distribution when you create multiple groups. So we are going to stop here for this video. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description. The complete course Inkscape is available. If you want to learn Inkscape starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn. A complete course to perfectly master Inkscape. In the second link on the description, this is a website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software, have basics of this software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is like an online school, so it means you can pick a course and you can learn any graphic software. For next video on this channel, see you. Ciao, ciao.